Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove a location from Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, if it's a location that you have set up, I'm pretty sure that you can go to your Google Map locations and you can just delete that location from existing. You can locate it on the map and click on it and go and delete all the data from there, or you can contact Google themselves, contact their support team, and they will be able to help you with removing any location on the map. Or however, if you have any other location that is not yours, that you didn't set up but it has been set up by somebody else, what you need to do is you pretty much just need to contact the support, which as you can see, you don't have any location options here. You won't be able to remove or add any locations like this, and especially if you didn't set it up, you do need to contact support so that they can well, process it and remove it if need be. If it is a false location, you can just report it and they will remove it at their earliest convenience, and that is pretty much it. Those are the only ways, which I know of at least, that you can actually remove your location. However, if you want to remove a location, for example, from your settings, you can go to your data and maps, and that is going to open up this menu where you can reset or remove your home and work addresses, which you can change at a later date as well. You can remove them if you're in the process of moving but you still haven't moved out. If you want to, for example, remove your home, you can do so like that. You can also remove your work if you've been laid off or if you quit and you're currently searching for a job. You can easily remove it from that menu as well. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.